Hey guys, so as you can probably tell, um, from the background noise, it is raining super hard, kind of. And also, it was thundering and lightning last night, and my mom probably slept really good because she likes the thunder and rain. She sleeps during the thunder and rain. I don't get it. I don't get how she does it, but anyways, literally, me, her, and my dad had to all sleep in the living room. I mean, probably because they weren't scared. They slept on the couch. And, yeah, it's morning. By the way, good morning. And, I slept in my dad's chair in front of his PC because, there was no room on the couch left. Yeah, so, we had, like, all the animals in there, minus Oliver. He was just running around. Oliver's my cat, by the way. And, yeah. I know. It's really all I have to say, but yeah. Like, here, let me let you listen to the rain real quick. And here. So, did you hear it? That was kind of the rain we had last night, but 1,000 times harder on the roof. And it was thundering and lightning outside, and kind of scary. I heard it thunder, and I was watching YouTube in the bedroom whenever I first heard it come down. Like, after I heard it thunder, in the window of the bedroom, I could see in my outer vision light coming, just like a blink of white, coming out of the window for like 1 millisecond. And then I looked over and I assumed it was lightning. And I was scared of the hard rain and lightning, like my mom. And I grabbed my tablet, turned off the bedroom light and the lamp, turned off the bathroom light in the hallway, and then ran, because I don't like the darkness. I just ran into the living room and kitchen, which I think I'm safe in. Whenever, like, someone else is in there with me. And it was just, I don't know how to explain it, literally. I don't know if you could see, like, yesterday's, thing on the Weather Channel, but, not Weather Channel, but, like, yesterday's, last night's, temperature or rain thing or whatever on the Weather Channel. I'm gonna go check and I'll be right back. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Bum, bum, ba, 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 ba. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Bum, bum. Hey, I got the news. Seems it doesn't show yesterday's weather. Yeah. I think it said like, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I don't really know what else to say. So yeah. I'm gonna go watch YouTube. Bye.